Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy, coming at you for myself, ShaveNation.com, and the Geofatboy YouTube channel today. A very special video. As you know, if you're a subscriber to the channel, I normally don't put out videos on Sunday. Usually it's Wednesday and Saturday. I do my best to keep up with that. It's difficult, but I try my best to stay on that schedule. The very special reason for today's video on a Sunday is I want to throw a shout out to a good friend, Pablo H. If you scroll down, hopefully he leaves a comment and you'll see his YouTube thumbnail. It's a round circle with a pink P in the middle of it. Pink, red, whatever. That's him. Usually leaves some nice comments on the videos. It's a very special day for Pablo. He's turning 60 today. So we all want to wish him a very happy 60th birthday. And on top of that, Pablo is going through a personal battle. He's going through a struggle. He's going through a fight against the big C. And I don't mean COVID, the other one. What we want to do is just take a moment, send positive thoughts, prayers, well wishes to Pablo. And he's undergoing treatments. He's doing the best he can. He's fighting the good fight, keeping the positive mental attitude that you need to, doing all the things he can to stay on top of this and get out in front of it. When you're fighting against cancer, the doctor will give you these time frames. He'll say, oh, it could be 6 months, could be a year, could be 2 years. Well, in my opinion, that doesn't mean anything. It's all up here. And your personal battle, your strength, your fortitude, that's what counts. I remember a good while back, they told my cousin she had 1 to 2 years. And guess what? It's been 10 years, and she's still here doing great. One of our fellow YouTube subscriber viewers, it is Righteous Redneck, RR. He had brain cancer, underwent brain surgery, and guess what? He's still shaving, still commenting. He'll probably comment on this video. Let's send some positive prayers. I hope you can all do the same. Add your well wishes, prayers. The more positive thoughts going upward, the more assistance coming back down for Paul. So anybody who's fighting a struggle, we pray for you. We pray for Paul especially today. And we wish you a happy birthday, Big 6-0. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Stay strong, brother.